Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create a style photo frame in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to create a style photo frame in this presentation. Firstly insert a picture in another slide. Click the new slide. Then choose blank to insert a picture. Go to the insert menu. Click picture option and choose this device. Now I insert this picture. Then click the picture and resize the picture some small. Then move this picture on the middle in this slide. Then go to the picture format menu, then click the picture style drop down menu and choose a frame. Now we can see here we make this picture frame style very easily. I hope you understand and enjoying the video very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching the video.